This is our bird, azulito, which is Spanish for blue. Just in case some of you don't know. I know you guys will think it's a crappy cage, but still good enough. Excuse me. Need to go in. This is my Handi-Capped Bird, Johnny. Wait a second. There he is. You see that wing? He's cute though. You see that wing? Right there, short. That feather string out. Well, that's something else. That's Johnny. Don't ask about the name. Let's see the other side of the wing. Longer. You see that tip of the blackness? That's his other wing. It's my Handi-Capped Bird, Johnny. Johnny. Say bye.